Hello everyone, this is Jagtar Shergill from School of Gratitude. Today I'm going to introduce Nashatar Singh Chauhan, one of the successful business person in Canada who started his career from owning his own gas station, running his own trucking company, his truck car wash, truck repair shop, sandblasting and painting, and now he is going to go into natural gas trucks which runs on natural gas and saves up to 40% of diesel fuel, which is very good for the environment. So I was so impressed and I want to interview him. So let's have a talk with the Nashatar Singh Chauhan and hear from his words how he became successful and what you can learn from his success. Thank you. So Chauhan Sahab, you show me this truck which is converted to natural gas, and tell me about those tanks, like what's their life limit? Can we change it to different trucks?
Your question is very good. And this is not converted. This is a fully gas truck.
Fully gas truck, I see.
Natural gas truck. So that is this is not converted to diesel to gas. This is fully gas truck. And this truck is 2015.
2015.
Captain Canvas. And these tanks life is still 15 years.
15 years.
Right? And the special thing in those tanks are like this is a diesel truck, and if there's any accident, these tanks can be damaged, or the fuel can be come to the ground, and there could be the fire too. But the special thing in these tanks with the gas trucks, it is not it is very light gas, not a liquid. So this will be comes to the it will fly.
Fly, right?
Right.
And how much it cost to convert? Like you said, what 15,000-20,000?
If if you want to be diesel truck converted to the gas, that will be, I'll tell you, the 65% to 70% to consume the natural gas. So 30 to 35% is a diesel. But that will be total cost is around $25,000.
$25,000 to convert it, right?
Yes. So that is the benefit with that, with a diesel truck to gas. If anybody driving more to like going to cross borders and Montreal, going to Montreal every day or whatever, then there's a huge saving than fuel. Right? And one more thing, it does not matter how many horsepower the diesel engine, 400, 500, 600. So the power will remain same. And it is better running. And there's this I have one truck the same like this one. That was before we converted different emission, that was different. Then the third time there is zero emission. Right. So that is that will be help to the in this time the whole world facing the trouble with that environment. So that will be very helpful to the environment too. Right. That is the specialty in this gas trucks.
Yeah, no, that's good. Like even in our Gurwani, like in your religion also, lot of stress on environment too. Like a war.
Guru Pani Pita Mara Tartam Hat Devsra Dudai da Khile Sagal Jagt. Right. So Pavan unhone Pavandri hai gaya. Un mata kya.
Pavan is air, right?
Pavandri air hai gaya. Because for our living, air is very important. Even sometimes we have no food, we can live hours, sometimes days. But without air, we cannot survive within a few minutes. Right? So if the environment is good, then everything is good. Like you will see, you must know that in this COVID-19, when everything was shut it down, then you will see the home environment is very clean. And in back home, people from Jalandhar, they can see the mountains. before they never seen.
Never seen it,
Right?
just because of all the smog gone away.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
So the same thing is that
Uh-huh,
for the for our living we have to be this our own responsibility.
all responsibility.
If I see the government will see do this and do,
Uh-huh.
why they will do?
Why?
If why have so many things in our own hands?
Uh-huh, yeah, that's
So
right.
if we are helping with those by ourselves,
Mhm.
that will be not only myself.
Mhm.
It will the humanity to help the whole humanity.
For humanity.
Yes.
Oh, that's good. Thank you so much, son.
Thank you.
So I think people will learn from it and convert these trucks from diesel to natural gas, or they're buy already made like that,
Yes.
so that they can save the environment.
Yeah.
I'm also very much in favor of environment.
Yes.
Like also driving hybrid car.
Right.
History. So Nishatr Singh ji, thank you very much for giving me time to interview you. So just tell me something about yourself.
Thank you very much, Shirval sir. I'm very pleased to be here today. Yes, that is, I came to Canada in 1980.
Loud.
Then I started to work in that was, I started working in one company,
Uh-huh.
the brake company.
Uh-huh.
So that was my first or last job.
First to last year, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Then in the meantime, the first I started with a gas station.
Mhm.
Then after 2 years,
Mhm.
then I was involved with a contract with Toronto Star.
Mhm.
That was paper delivering to some places.
Mhm.
Just that is for going to pick up the papers
Mhm.
and going to some one place and give to the people.
Mhm.
That was my job too.
I see.
So after that, actually the transportation, that is originally I have no background in the transportations.
No background.
No.
I see.
So that is when I was here. Then I started with the Toronto Star.
Mhm.
That was it. Started with a small van,
I see.
half-ton van.
Mhm.
Then after 1 or 2 years, they said we need small truck.
Mhm.
That was straight truck, 20 feet box.
Uh-huh.
Then I started with them,
I see.
and 2-3 years.
Uh-huh.
Total I worked with the Transtar.
Uh-huh.
So after that, I have some other people. They're helping me.
Mhm.
Then there are more trucks over there.
Mhm.
So up to I can say 93, 88
Mhm.
to around 2000.
Uh-huh.
I was with the Toronto Star.
ਨਛੱਤਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸੋ ਆਪਣੇ ਬਾਰੇ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਟੋਰਾਂਟੋ ਸਟਾਰ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਜੌਬ ਸੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਦੁਆਰਾ, ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕੀਤੀ, ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਸਫ਼ਰ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਇਹ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਦਾ?
Okay. When I was in the gas station,
ਹਾਂਜੀ.
suddenly then we made my mind to stop it.
Mhm.
Then I realized I was very busy on that time.
Mhm.
The company and the brake company where I was working,
Mhm.
that was very busy, and we were working 7 days over there.
Mhm.
Mostly 6 days everybody is working there.
Mhm.
Then the gas station too.
Uh,
Then I realized, after the closing that one, I have to take 1 month rest.
Mhm.
Even I do the job,
Uh-huh.
but not doing any extra things.
Yeah.
So then suddenly I received a call from the Toronto Star.
Mhm.
Somebody asked me, "You looking for a job?"
Mhm.
I said yes. So then you have to spend $6,000 to buy a van from us.
That must be a lot of money at that time, $6,000.
Because I have a van that time,
Uh-huh.
I said no, I don't want to spend anything.
Mhm.
Then next day again they called me.
Mhm.
They said, "Okay, you interested? Yes,
Mhm.
but I don't want to spend any 6,000. I have my van."
Mhm.
Okay, then come in.
Yeah.
Right? Then I started, and that was totally new thing to me.
Mhm.
Everything actually, Shirgal Sahab, that is in my life.
Mhm.
It is very interesting.
Mhm.
There's so many things,
Yeah.
but I never got any license first.
License.
I start first, then I got the license.
Yeah. Tell me the story about, you told me long time ago about the business when you were away from office in maybe far away from a country, and you got the container contract for 40 trucks or trailer or something, and then you end up arranging it within few hours. And how it,
Yeah, that is very, very those things very interesting.
what happened? Who called you that time?
That is I forget so many things too.
Uh-huh.
So that is even when I start with the Toronto Star, I drive 2 years straight truck,
Uh-huh.
and one day I'm telling you the interesting stories.
Uh-huh.
So that is I was on the Mississauga Road. That was totally 15 kilometer I was driving to one way.
Uh-huh.
and it takes hour and half an hour total every day. So when I was coming back to Brampton, I was on Mississauga Road. So then MTO guy he followed me. Right?
Ministry of Transport.
Ministry of Transportation. And he started flashing, and that is I didn't stop the truck. Then he take over and come in front of me, and then the flashing, and then I stop. Then he said, "Why not you stop your truck?" I said, "Who the hell you are?" Right? So that is the guy. He was so nice, and he didn't react any bad against me, and I started thinking. Then he asked me, "Where you work? What you doing? From when you came to this Canada, and what is your full-time job?" So that was, I spent less than 2 hours on that job.
Oh, I see.
Right?
Only 2 hours.
Right. So that is after that he said, "You are very innocent guy, but you have no knowledge." Right? But in these days, I want to suggest that because I am involved in so many sites, that is, I think, lack of our government side too. Whenever we are registering any business, then government has also responsibility that they have to send the full package.
Full package, right?
What is your responsibilities? What you have to meet? So that is like the transportation CVOR.
CVOR.
Right?
Yeah.
Then the proper insurance.
Yeah.
And when we take the stickers from the Ministry of Transportation, that is the gross weight.
Gross weight.
Right? So that I was totally not aware of.
Not aware of.
Right? So that is I suggest through your media to the if any government people they watch it, they must act on it, and that is their duty to give the service to the peoples.
You mean when they are giving CVOR, and they should tell all the responsibilities,
right?
And also should have some training before they can jump onto the business.
Yes. The same thing, I give you one more example too. That is the government and the Ministry of Transportation, they focus only on the trucks.
Only trucks.
Right? But they never think about the cars too.
Cars.
If they little spend on time and they would give some attention to the car drivers, then I'm, because this is my country, and I'm talking in favor of that, how we can prevent from the accidents too, and the loss too. Because people with the car, they are suddenly come in front of the truck. Right? The truck is a heavy machinery, and it is not easy to control it right way. That's why so many accidents happen in the road.
And Chauhan Sahab, so what are other businesses like you're doing? I know that you're trucking, and you heard about truck wash. And,
we have a truck wash over here, and we are open 7 days. And as I mentioned to you earlier, we are working with Volvo and selling the natural gas trucks too. Then they asked me how you can, if you have, you can do something else for the trucks. Those are coming from outside. Then we can also need taking your help too. So we are doing degreasing. We are doing the detailing. Right. Then we are doing the sandblast and body paint. So then they said, after a few trucks when we did, then I called them, come and see our, but I want to know what is your feedback about us, what is, how we doing. The person said, oh, if we are together before, then it's very good. I said, that's nothing, it is never late. If you start right now, it is good.
Yeah.
So that is, they said Toronto, Brampton, and Hamilton and Niagara, Cambridge and London, and the new branch is coming in Brentford. So these all trucks, used trucks, they said it will be come through your place, and we need your services from that way too. So before we never made any signs. So now, as we are doing with the dealership, so we are starting with the general publics too. So that is our new project, new expansion.
Convert
truck wash, right?
Yes.
Plus, this converting these trucks from diesel to natural gas.
Yes,
right?
yes,
Right.
yes.
That's the big project. So when is that going to start? That
It is-
converting the
it is,
from the diesel
it
to
is started
natural.
already, right?
Started already, right?
We are ready to go now.
Ready to go around.
Yes. So that is in Mississauga, and there's not only one or two branches. So the people, those who are doing, they are contacting me right now.
So maybe I will ask one question. Like I told somebody about your project already, and they said, "What's the capital cost, and is it worth to convert it from diesel to natural gas, or is it more cost? What is the
Very
cost?"
good question. That is, if the person is driving much more, then it is very, very worth.
Very worth, yeah. Mostly long haul, right?
Long haul, and even if the person they're running over here, maximum runs, right? So that is, I give you one more example too. The person is, if suppose we have a truck right now, those are 2015,
15.
right? The price, whatever the price is, so we check that the installment could be around $800-900. So these trucks are, if we are sending to the Windsor or send to the Ottawa or Montreal, then we are saving a minimum $200 per trip.
Per trip, right?
Per trip.
Plus the environment is
Environment.
clean.
Right.
It's clean.
So if the person is making 20 trips, right, then he saves $4,000
$4,000 in a month.
month, right? I say forget about 4,000. You can say 3,000. How much the installment is less than $1,000?
Oh, it's only less than $1,000?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
So same tanks can be used for the natural gas? The one tanks we
No,
have?
that is different trucks.
Uh-huh.
No, I'm talking about the trucks. Those already I can show you.
Yeah.
I have one over here, right? So that truck, if anybody buying that one, around maybe $55,000-$60,000. So that installment comes to be less than $1,000,
$1,000.
right? So if this truck going to Windsor, here to Windsor, or here to Montreal or Ottawa, that is we calculated it takes around saving is around $200.
$200, right?
So a person making 20 trips a month, 4,000. So I am leaving on, forget about 4,000, you can say 3,000,
3,000.
right? So when we have a diesel truck comparison to gas truck, then your saving is 3,000, right? And 1,000 is your installment. You still make $2,000, and there's less maintenance, right? And comfortable, less noise. That is much better for that way.
But Mr. Johanna, I'm all amazed by your vision. Like you're a visionary person. Like you told me that you never have experience in any of these fields. You just learned while you started, right?
That is, sometime I'm also feeling, and believe on that. My belief is that is nature. If you are in honesty, truthful, then nature is always helping you.
Yeah.
Right? And I'm blessed. I'm very, very, I'm feeling, I enjoy that one. And I have also friends like you, right? You are also, I'm feeling proud to be, before you are not in the politics right now. Jack Layton is like a saint person, very nice.
He was a good
and
person,
you are with him,
Yeah.
right? So that is when the whole team is good, right? Then naturally, everything is good.
Yeah, because I read one book, maybe you can read it again. I'll give you one book. It's from Napoleon Hill. It's Think and Grow Rich. And he said that if you can believe something, conceive it, and make a plan of action, you will achieve it. Doesn't matter what people say, you focus on that. And I think that's what you're doing. You believe something, then you're conceiving it. Then this is your natural ability. Maybe you didn't read the book, but you're working according to that Napoleon Hill's philosophy.
That's right.
That book made many millionaires from reading that book.
When we are, believe in truthful life, honesty, then you must have determined to do what I have to do. Well begun, half done.
Yeah.
When you're doing anything, then you have to put your energy, and you should not think negative things. You must be in the positive thinking, right? Then I believe it. That is our even gurus.
Yeah.
They tell us, then you must be successful.
Yeah, your mind has to be focused.
My mind is focused.
So, Chahan sahab, what's about your family? Tell me something about your family, your son and children
yeah,
you have.
Yeah, I have 3 daughters,
Uh-huh.
and these are the 2 married.
Uh-huh.
One married in next year,
Uh-huh.
and my son who is just finished last year McMaster University,
McMaster University.
right?
Yeah.
And he is working with me right now.
Mhm.
So I want to train him the same all these things. And he tried. I want to make him the lawyer,
Lawyer, eh? Wow.
right? So then he said, "I'm fine. I don't want to go."
Mhm.
So he's with me right now.
He's working with you, helping you.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
So he is in training right now.
Training right now.
Right. I want to train him to do all these things.
You want to make a decision maker
Yes.
on behalf of you.
Yes.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
So, Chahan, what's your everybody think that when they go away from this world, they want to have some kind of legacy, and what people should be remembered. What message you want to give to people, what Chahan did, and what the inspiration they can get from you.
In the life, that is, I'm feeling whatever we did in my life. But life is not all the time. When even the road is not, you can say, there's a hills, downhills. In the life, there's when we are doing so many things. Then sometime, luckily or unluckily, we have some problems too, right? But I would like to say we should not give up. Whatever we're doing, we have to continue put our efforts.
Efforts, yeah.
Right? Life is not a straight. It is in the bumpy life, right? But we should not discouraged, right? I also facing so many troubles, right? The last so many years, but I'm feeling to be. I have a trust. I have a faith in my whatever the elders tell us, and according to that way I'm doing, and I'm very feeling proud to be. I'm very thankful to that superpower. We are back to again on the track, and then I forget all those whatever the downs do.
Yeah.
And we should not. I would like to say everyone, whenever whatever we are doing, we should determined, right? And whatever we make our mind, we have to focus on that. And get achievement of that.
And had a plan of action.
Plan.
And my channel is like School of Gratitude, means in Punjabi we call Shukrana. So what gratitude people should have? What do you think about gratitude? Some people have everything, they still think that they don't have enough, right? And some people, but they have little, they are more appreciative, thankful to the God and to the society where we are right now. Because I feel that in Canada we are really grateful for the beautiful country, right?
I like two things. First of all, the part of the we have to keep away from the drugs, alcohol, smoke. We have to keep away ourselves and our generation.
We're going to keep away drugs, alcohol, and this should be away from the young generation.
That's right. So that is if we, save our generations and ourselves too. Then, I'm feeling, sometimes the people ask me, what you eat? You're working very hard.
Yeah, you work almost 7 days.
Right.
Because last time you told me only Sunday you have available,
Yes.
and today I seen you still working in the back.
Yes. So that is, I realize that work is not harmful to your health.
Yeah.
The drugs, alcohols, or other things, those destroys the peoples. So I would like to strongly saying to everyone, we have to be those people. They are even using that one. I'm telling to my experience, they are destroying their health, wealth, and prestige in the communities. Right? We should keep away from those things and keep our generation to, keep away from those things,
Yeah.
right?
That's good.
And though that is the, I would like to say, number second, wherever, whatever we're doing, we have to make our mind and we have to work hard and be determined. I have to be successful, that's right.
So there's no substitute for hard work. You got to do hard work.
Yes.
And what about people who are thinking that they should get free or looking for government handout? And wherever you and I, like we work mostly in the business, we never go on any unemployment or anything. Always, even if we are down, we still get up, right? Like same as you. But what's your thinking about that?
No doubt about that. अपनी गुरबाणी काल खाए कुछ हथों दे
काल खाए कुछ हथों दे
काल खाए कुछ हथों दे meaning is work hard then help the needy,
work hard and help the needy. That's right.
right?
So you believe in charity?
Charity or needy, whatever. So that is it is very, very important. Some people even they said I should not say like that all mankind are same, but as our masters, the gurus, they said you have to do Dasanahadikirth, right?
Yeah.
Then you are feeling satisfactions, right? When the people, those who are cheating, their conscious feeling guilty all the time, right? When you are working hard, I'm telling you one time, I was during these years, I was going very financially because of being so many things happening. I was going very, very hard times. And one day, Sant Seva Singh ji, Khadusa wale, they came here, and the person I received a call, Babaji are here, and we have to, we know we have to help them. So they are helping the communities, doing so many things for the communities, right? Doing so much seva, right? Then I realized that I have not much money on that time. I'm telling you, very, very reality. So then we have to, transfer one load to the other trailer to from the outside, right? I say, how much does it cost? $150. I say, okay, don't worry. Bring those trailers. I will do it myself. Right? No doubt, that was summertime, and my clothes were sweat, right? But I moved within half an hour. Then I realized I save $150. That $150 I give to the Babaji and put some more money too, right? This money will work wherever it goes to be, right? So that is the Kaal Khai Ke Chathunde, meaning work hard and you have to help the needy too.
Like when you pay somebody, like real happiness is in giving,
That's right.
not in getting.
Not that.
You can get $1 million, but until you give somebody something, you won't get happiness.
I'll tell you one more thing. People, those who are dependent upon, they in Canada. This is, very civilized, advanced country in the world. And people, those who they don't want to work, they are looking for government grants, right? Government welfares. That is everybody, sometimes sick, sometimes any problems. But I'm realizing sometimes I never got any welfares, not any unemployment during the 1980 to now.
No. Right? 30 years. 40 years. 40 years.
Right.
1980 to now. 40 years, yes.
40 years.
Yes.
Right? So that is, I'm weak. I'm, the person, if we believe on, that's why I say honesty.
Honesty.
Right? So we should not think about easy money.
Easy money.
Right? As the people, those that are doing the drugs, tanda, right?
Yeah.
They are why they do? They want to make the easy, short way.
Short way, but then they stay the rest of their life in the prison.
Right.
Or the family suffer.
Yes, right.
Right.
So that is not good.
Not good, right?
I would like to strongly saying to the people, those who are watching, I might have so many deficiencies, but should not check my deficiencies.
Yeah.
Do good. or yourself.
Truth is truth.
Truth
yeah.
is truth.
Yeah, like that's the thing. Like I have a lot of people, like I give guidance. Now many of them are way ahead of me.
Yes.
It's not like I don't have to be ahead of them. If I tell somebody good, they can go ahead any way they want, right?
Correct.
Just like you give somebody good guidance,
Yes.
they can go far away in their career or their lifetime.
You know, I don't believe in millions, billions, right? But if my conscience is clear, then I'm feeling very well,
Yeah.
right? So that is everybody's way of thinking. But I realize that that is the best way.
That's better. Yeah, thank you very much, John Saab, to give me this time for our interview. If I miss anything, you want to say anything at the last?
I'm very, very thankful.
Uh-huh.
Almighty God,
Yeah,
right? I'm very, very thankful to you people too.
no problem.
Feeling proud to be like you good friends.
Yeah, no, I just my motto is just to spread the message and interview business people like you who started from foreign country, come here and started from scratch and build their businesses. And you have now many people working and making money here. I just seen one guy before with the interview, like he was praising that because of you, and he's having good income and supporting his family. So that's a proof that not only you are succeeding, you are helping other people to succeed, and they're proud of you. And yeah.
Very, very thanks.
Yeah.
Very, very thanks.
Okay, viewers, I hope you like the interview with Mr. Nishatr Singh Chauhan, and he is the community leader and also a successful business person, visionary, who created many businesses, started truck wash, trucking company. Now he's a natural gas project for the truck, converting from diesel to natural gas, and many other events. And I hope you get some inspiration and motivation from him. We will bring more videos next time. Until then, I will say thank you very much, goodbye, and God bless you. Thank you, Jitendra.
Thank you.